Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts using YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to post short vertical videos and grow faster on YouTube, this guide will walk you through the full process. First, make sure your video is vertical and under 60 seconds long. YouTube Shorts work best in a 9:16 format. Now open YouTube in your browser, sign in to your account, and go to YouTube Studio from your profile menu. Next, click the Create button in the top right corner, then select Upload Videos. Choose your Shorts video file from your computer and wait for it to upload. Now enter your video title and description. You can even add the hashtag Shorts in the title or description to help YouTube identify it faster. If thumbnail options are available, upload a custom thumbnail or choose a frame from the video. Next, select whether the content is made for kids or not. This step is required before publishing. Now set your Shorts video to public, private, or scheduled depending on when you want people to see it. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your YouTube Short will start processing and appear in the Shorts feed shortly after. After publishing, you can open the Shorts section on YouTube to confirm your video is live. So that's how to upload YouTube Shorts in YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you get the format right, uploading Shorts becomes really simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.